Hello and welcome to another tutorial of MADCUBA. In this video we are going to explain how to import single-disk data from the 30-meter IRAM radio telescope and the basic visualization tools that can be used to plot the observational data. To begin with, if we click on Import, we will see the different options that are available to import data from. These are CASA files, products from the Herschel Space Telescope, a spectra written in ASCII format or in class format from GILDAS, feeds file from the Green Bank telescope, and generic data cubes. As in this case we have data from IRAM, we select a spectra class file. Selecting the file will begin the process to import the data into MADCUBA format. Note that this action can take time depending on the size of your data. Once the importation has finished, the spectra container and information MADCUBA windows will pop up. The spectra container window is where MADCUBA loads the imported data. Within this window, the observational data can be inspected by scrolling up and down or using the right bar. Note that different observational parameters are shown in the heading of the table. In the spectra container, just clicking on any spectrum will automatically plot it. Here, MADCUBA offers a wide range of possibilities. For instance, if we want to revise a specific region of one spectrum, a zoom-in could be useful. In order to do so, we press and hold the left button in one point, and then, while pressing, we create a square region that limits our zoom-in zone. Releasing the left button will automatically apply the zoom we have chosen. The same action is required for the zoom out, but in this case, the square have to be done outside the spectrum, just like we are showing. We could also want to change the units in which we see the data. For this, we click on the radial velocity button. As we can see, this action opens a menu with different units. A common choice would be rest frequency. By clicking at it, we see that the spectrum changes into this unit. If we want to express rest frequency in megahertz, we just have to click on the right menu and choose megahertz. The same technique can be applied to other units. Finally, we can also select different spectra by clicking and dragging the pointer, or by clicking different data while pressing Command or Control button. Note that none of this action will plot all the selected data, but only the first spectrum. To change this, we need to click on the single spectrum button. Now we can see the different options we have. The first one is to plot one spectrum above the other. This can be extremely useful when doing data reduction. The other one allows us to plot all of them in different windows. In the next video, we will talk about the tools that can be used for data reduction using MADCUBA. Thanks for watching.